today I'm in Lauterbrunnen, Switzerland, and we're gonna do a little bit of hiking. I'm not entirely sure where I'm going because this time I don't have a tour guide, but I'm pretty sure I just need to head towards that cable car that I see in the distance, and we're gonna get up that. Guys, this trail is so beautiful. Surprise, surprise, I'm at a loss for words again. I just never ever want to leave these mountains. Like, I could do this every single day. So I think I'm just walking along this ridge to the town of Murren, and then I'm gonna take another cable car back down and then walk back to Lauterbrunnen. I'm in the mountains, I'm happy. Let's look at some more scenery. Also, I love that I could just hear the cowbells in the distance, like everywhere here in Switzerland. Like, it's just so beautiful to know that there are cows nearby because I love cows. I really wish I could afford a mountaintop restaurant. I forgot food. Again. Like, I literally just get so excited for the hike that I always forget to go and buy food. Alright, you guys, that was an extremely crowded train ride, but I mean, come on, I'm in Switzerland and everybody wants to see these mountains too, so I guess I totally understand. It was a $9 trip to the top and an $11 trip back down to Lauterbrunnen, and those views were absolutely totally worth it. Plus, there was a dog in my train on the way home, so that was pretty cool also. They do pack that cable car really tight, so if you're claustrophobic, I would just keep that in mind ahead of time. They pack about 100 people in there. But there's also the option to hike to the top if you want. It's probably like a 3,000 foot climb. Anyway, I promise to have a lot more footage on my next hike. A little bit of my footage got deleted on this one. I messed up something with my GoPro. But the next one is going to blow your mind. I will see you guys then.